Alright, let's be honest, aging gets a bad reputation. Everywhere you look, society makes getting older sound like a slow decline, a loss of youth, energy, and excitement. But what if I told you that's the biggest lie we ever been sold? Think about it. Some of the happiest, most fulfilled people in the world are well into their 60s, 70s, even 80s. They aren't sitting around regretting the past or worrying about wrinkles. They are out their lives, thriving and enjoying life on their own terms. So today, we're going to break every single myth about aging. We're going to talk about how to stay active, feel younger, and make these years the most exciting of your life. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll never see aging the same way again. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Number 1. The biggest lie about aging and why it's wrong. Let's start with the biggest misconception out there. The idea that aging automatically means slowing down, getting weaker, and losing joy. It's simply not true. Science research and thousands of real-life examples prove that how you age depends more on your mindset and daily habits than on your actual age. Did you know that people who stay socially active in their later years live longer and report higher levels of happiness? Did you know that your brain can form new neural connections at any age, meaning you can keep learning and growing no matter how old you are? And did you know that many of the so-called symptoms of aging, like stiffness, fatigue, and forgetfulness, are often caused by lifestyle choices, not age itself? The truth is, aging isn't about getting old. It's about how you choose to live as you grow older. And once you start to shift your mindset, everything changes. Number 2. How to feel 20 years younger without expensive treatments or magic pills. Alright, let's talk about the real stuff. You don't need fancy anti-aging creams or expensive health retreats to feel younger. What you do need are the right daily habits that help your body, mind, and spirit stay sharp. Movement that feels good. Forget the idea that you need to hit the gym 5 times a week to stay fit. The real secret: move in ways that bring you joy. That could be dancing in your kitchen, taking morning walks, swimming, or even playing with your grandkids. Movement isn't about going out, it's about staying active in a way that makes you feel alive. Eat like your future self depends on it, because it does. Let's face it, what we put in our bodies matters more than ever as we age. But that doesn't mean you have to survive on kale, smoothies, and bland salads. The best diet, real food, balanced meals, and staying hydrated. More protein for muscle strength, healthy fats for brain function, and fiber to keep your digestion on track. The sleep secret no one talks about. You know what makes people look and feel older faster than anything? Poor sleep. If you're not getting 7 to 9 hours of quality rest, it affects everything: your memory, your energy, even your mood. Fixing your sleep habits is like an instant anti-aging trick, and trust me, it makes a world of difference. Number 3. The emotional side of aging. How to stay mentally strong and happy. Aging isn't just about physical changes, it's about how we feel inside. And one of the most biggest challenges many people face as they get older is loneliness, boredom, or feeling like they don't have a purpose anymore. But guess what? That's 100% fixable. So how to stay mentally and emotionally strong? Stay socially connected. Whether it's all friends, family, or meeting new people, or meeting new people through hobbies. Having strong relationship is the number one predictor of happiness in old age. Don't wait for people to reach out. Be the one to make the call, plan the dinner, or send the message. Keep your brain busy in a fun way. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it slows down. The good news, learning anything new keeps your mind sharp. Trying new hobby, take a class, read different books, or even do puzzles. Your brain is still capable of amazing things no matter your age. Let go of stress and negativity. Worrying about things you can't control is a fast way to age yourself. If something isn't in your power to change, let it go. Focus on the things that bring joy instead of the things that drain your energy. Aging is your superpower. Use it. Look, here's the bottom line. Aging is not something to fear. It's something to take full advantage of. You have more wisdom, more experience, and more freedom now than ever before. This is your time to live exactly how you want, without the stress of proving yourself to anyone. So stop letting society tell you what aging should look like. Rewrite the rules. Stay active, stay curious, and most of all, stay excited about life. Because the best years, they are still ahead of you.